everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a new MOBOX game that has been recently released called Token Master. This is a great way of earning some extra MBOX tokens because this game lets us actually play with our Momos, which is great. And yeah, this is basically a temporary game because it will only last a week. So the game was released on the 20th of this month and it will end on the 27th. This is how the game looks. I want to take a little bit of time to kind of explain to you guys what this is all about because Token Master is actually a bundle of games. We have multiple games to play in here and also multiple ways of earning MBOX tokens and also gold coins. We have the Plunder, we have Momopoly, and we have the Momo farming section. This is not actually a game because all you can do in here is farm, so you don't really have to do anything. You just let your Momos farm you gold coins, and you just have to click claim a couple of times a day or whenever you want. Besides farming coins, you can also use your Momos to battle other Momos in the Plunder arena. This is a PvP battle arena where you can battle other Momos to win coins and stars, which can actually help you gain MBOX tokens. If we go to the Plunder rank here, we can see all of these players that have received MBOX tokens based on the stars they have won in the battles. If we go back to the farming section and click on a Momo, we can actually see that they also have skills, and the skill can be unlocked by a book, and we can get books by completing our daily tasks. As you can see, I have already completed one. I have claimed my book and unlocked my skill. And after that, all you have to do is just pick your best Momos, your best 3 Momos, and battle against other Momos in the Plunder arena. I only have 2 last things to say about this battle arena. Firstly, these are your lives, and once they are consumed, it will take 12 hours to be refilled fully. And this is the battle record where you can see all of the battles you've been in, the amount of coins you have earned, and also if you click on this little camera here, you can actually rewatch the battle, which is actually pretty cool. The second game we can play in here is called Momopoly, and it's basically a roulette, and all you have to do is just bet a certain amount of your gold on one of these options and just spin the roulette and see where it lands. You can either spin this roulette manually or you can put it on autoplay. The maximum amount of autoplay is 100. Also, you can either choose one option or you can pick all of them depending on how many coins do you want to spend on this roulette. So for example, let's just say we pick this one and bet 100 coins on it. Let's just spin and see what we got. Okay, and we got a 10, which means we lost our coin. If you do happen to bet on 2 or 4 rolls and the roulette stops at them, you will see the roulette moving away and revealing a cardboard game with a game piece that will move a certain amount of times depending on which of these rolls you get and what you get by rolling the dices. And whatever it lands on, it would also get you something. Maybe double your money or triple them, depends. And also, if you look at this line, you can see all of the options that the roulette had stopped at, so maybe you can get an idea of what options you should bet on. So that might be helpful as well. And this is what the Momopoly is basically about. So just have to guess the right option, roll the dices, and earn the coins. You can also earn some MBOX tokens from Momopoly. There's a leaderboard. As you can see here, we have the gold rank, and this is the Momopoly rank leaderboard where you can see all of these players that have earned MBOX tokens by guessing the right option, and the more options you guess, the more MBOX tokens you will receive. And this is what Token Master has to offer, guys. We have 2 games and a farming section. We have a battle arena and a roulette. And we have some coins. And the main goal is to get a lot of coins so we can get MBOX. And yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you have any video suggestions, don't forget to leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment. And yeah, have a great day.